G-Money here for Restoring a Princess, and today is a good day, a happy day, but a little melancholy day because today is the final episode of Restoring a Princess. Yes, the princess is restored, and today we're celebrating with the employees, the personnel, management, even the Prime Minister is going to make an appearance today with everyone enjoying the opening of the Princess Juliana International Airport. So come with us inside the block party as we wrap up the final episode of Restoring a Princess. You guys back to normal now. How does it feel?
Great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tell me about those 7. Tell me what was the most difficult thing in those 7 years working here?
By making it happen. The operations, making it happen.
Yeah?
Yeah. Under the circumstances.
So now you're relaxed, you're good to go now, right?
Yeah.
How does it finally feel, to be done? Everything's finished with the princess.
Well, it's very much better. Easier for the guests and the clients to come through, go through a little easier. So the process is nice. Actually, if you do the entry form before you come in, you just gotta slide your passport, get a picture take, and you're gone. You don't have to see the immigration officer. So what more can you want? We're upgrading, we're good. So 2025, guys, St. Maarten is the destination. Make sure you come.
What was the most difficult time for you?
Having all those passengers arrive and wait in those long lines in that deplorable situation that we were going through.
So
it was terrible.
So you mean the part before or after the TAF? What was the worst? Because it was twice we was outside.
Under the tent.
Under the tent. Yeah.
And when we had to check in everyone over there under the tent.
Actually, we don't call them tents, we call them pavilions.
Oh my God, that was terrible.
But now you have a brand new
So now
airport.
we have a brand new, beautiful airport. I feel so proud.
Good.
Yeah.
You look proud.
I am proud. I'm proud to work at Princess Juliana.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
The worst time was, I think, phase 2, where we were under a tent.
We don't call them tents, we don't call them tents, we don't call them tents, we call them pavilions.
I was using a makeup as a departure hall. Whenever it rained, everything got soaked. Passengers, people, bags was soaked. It was a hassle, but as a community, we stuck together. We didn't die, we pushed. It took 7 long years, and we're finally there.
All right, y'all. G-Money here with Restoring a Princess. We're here at the block party, and we're here with a familiar face that we've seen through season 1, season 2, and of course, we heard that he's retiring, or what's the correct word for that?
No, my contract was for 5 years, and the job, of course, is to build the princess, rebuild the princess, reconstruction of the princess. And my job here is done.
What do you mean, done?
I put a team together, I get the funding for it, and of course, with all the right people around you, you build something beautiful, and that's what we did for St. Maarten. I want to thank the government, especially the new Prime Minister, for really having that extra support and attention given to the airport. And I think we have a beautiful airport. As some other people said, we have the most advanced airport, the most newest airport in the Dutch Kingdom. And I think we set the bar. And I think this airport is going to win some prizes next year for what we've built.
Do you feel a sense of relief, like it's over, or you still feel it's still more stuff to be done?
We got some more stuff to do, but at least the first plateau has been reached. We crossed the finishing line, and we've delivered a beautiful package. A single terminal that can handle up to 2.5 million passengers. And St. Maarten is open for business. And of course, it's a relief because it was not an easy task. Next year, we need to learn this new airport. I told them too, let's put a button, pause a minute, and let's get to learn this because it's about the passenger experience. Our guests that come to the island, that they have a great landing and of course a great departure, and that's what we're trying to do. tonight is a day. You know, we had some formal gatherings and a reopening, etc. That were reception for the stakeholders, the people with the money, the governments, to show them that we can put money to work in St. Maarten and we could do it the right way. So we have a little block party, like how you said, a little music, a little beer, a little enjoyment, and a thank you note from the airport to them.
Good. Well, speaking of thank you, I know since you're leaving, you got a nice little key to the airport at the DCCA conference, which was amazing. And this Restoring the Princess was your brainchild. You approached me and you said, you know what, the people of St. Maarten need to know what's going on inside this building, because you drive past it, you don't know what's going on. Correct. And you invited me, you said, just come take a look. And it actually blew my mind to see what was going on inside that the people didn't know. So this was your brainchild to do this series. So this is the final episode. So on that note, I would like to say thank you. And it's not the key to the airport, but it's the official Restoring the Princess hard hat. It is now officially yours to put on your desk, to put it in the museum, or, you know, it's yours. We're done.
Thank you. And, you know, that's all, folks. But we did a hell of a job here. Everyone contributed. And, you know, let's learn from this and let's build St. Maarten, because this is the airport, but we have a lot more to build to make St. Maarten that product that we always wanted to be. And I think we can do it. We can be the next, you know, Mecca in the Caribbean. Small, boutique, 5-star, French, Dutch. Let's make it work.
Let's make it happen. Keep it right here, Restoring a Princess. We got a lot more coming up. How does it feel to finally be over now?
Good, very good.
Yeah?
I'm happy.
Yeah?
Yeah. So I got to use the machine, the new machines. I got to, you know.
So how was it before? I know you guys had different, various locations where you guys were at before. Here, there.
Well, with other locations, then it was kind of, you know, kind of thing. But this one here now, it's good that we finished now. That we back in the house, we good.
Yeah!
How does it feel to finally have the building done?
I'm happy.
Yeah?
I'm happy to be back in the building.
Back in the building?
Yep.
How difficult was it in those 7 years? See her face?
You know how it is.
Yeah.
It was hard.
But we're back, right?
I'm happy to be back. I'm happy in the airco, no heat, no more tap. Yep.
This young lady here, we've never had her on camera, but she has helped us tremendously Restoring a Princess behind the scenes. Tremendously. So myself and Verse want to say thank you.
No, thank you guys. You did an amazing job filming everything from day one till now. It's amazing what you did.
Shout out to my girl Cassie. Well, people, that's it. Restoring a Princess. Gotta say thanks to everybody who has helped us behind the scenes. There's a lot of people you've seen on camera, but there's a lot of people behind the scenes that you haven't seen that has helped make this series a big success. Congratulations to all the workers and all the construction workers who have put in so much time, 7 years to build the airport. And it wasn't easy. You know, the other day I was talking to somebody and I was like, you know, it's like, you know, trying to remodel your house and still living in it. And they was like, no. It's like trying to change a flat tire, but the car is still moving. And I was like, okay, that's a better analogy. But from day one, where we explained how we got here to the money situation, from baggage, all the way to basically the grand opening for the Princess arriving and opening up this beautiful airport again. Shout out to Brian Mingo. He was so instrumental in starting this, to letting the people know exactly what is going on behind the scenes here at the Princess Juliana International Airport. So, I mean, like I said, for all the workers, everything we've done throughout the way, and the people we've met, and the people who have worked here, who've helped us along the way, who took their time out from their job to help us film this series. And like I said, we've won 3 awards for this series, and congratulations to everyone who worked on the Princess. So that's it. We're done, right? Or maybe not. But who knows? Until next time, Restoring a Princess. Bye.